Andrews Motorsports. For all the Legends people out there, I'm going to kind of show you what our standard repair and upgrade of one of these chassis is. First thing, most important, the front clip. These get fatigued. Sometimes you got to put kick-ups in them as well, but the front clips get fatigued and the cars just don't respond like they used to. Also, our shock towers are welded together a little different way that we think seems to benefit a little bit. Next up, relieving the chassis. These chassis are welded in a rotisserie from the factory, and it puts a lot of bind in the chassis in different places. So we've got certain places that we cut and re-weld the bars to get all that bind out of the chassis. Next up, the rear horns. About every set of rear horns gets knocked around and beat up, so we cut those off, replace those. You see this one's all dented in and bent out. The next thing would be the seat back and the third link. They're bad about cracking right here. This one's actually cracked, and we'll show you a photo of that up close. At this point, we normally go to the big boy seat back and upgrade that as well. The only other real problem spot on these chassis would be this A-pillar right here. They're bad about cracking right here, and sometimes that needs repaired as well. Other than that, pretty standard, pretty standard good chassis. Don't really see any major issues out of them. If you need upgrades or repair, just check us out at andrewsmotorsports.com.